Hello everyone, I'm going to share some secret window shortcuts in this tutorial that you might not be aware of. This will be very practical and useful, especially if you're trying to record a screen without using third-party software that reduces the resolution or adds a watermark. To start recording your entire screen, simply press Windows, Alt, R. No need for additional software. Press Windows G and select Capture from the left side to access the recordings. You can also access them by going to Videos, Captures in File Explorer, located at Users, your user account, and Video Captures. Another useful shortcut is Windows V, which opens the clipboard and shows a history of all copied items, including screenshots using Print Screen. You can copy and use them for your work. If you want to quickly go to your desktop, press Windows plus D. This minimizes all tabs and applications. Lastly, the fastest way to turn off your PC is by pressing Windows X and then pressing U. This will shut down and sign out your computer. If you like the shortcuts, please leave a comment down below and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you and see you in the next one.